If you're looking for the best virtual assistant job as a beginner with no experience, there are a range of options available. Starting out as a beginner in virtual assistance can seem like a daunting task because at this point you can't actually figure out the direction you want to go, and sometimes you might just want to start something to see what's best for you. Unfortunately, I have a list of virtual assistant jobs any beginner can do and start making money today. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. As you already know, on this channel I make videos on how you can leverage the internet to make money for yourself, find life-changing job opportunities and become financially independent. If this is something you are interested in, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Without further ado, let's get started. In today's video, we are diving into some virtual assistant jobs that are perfect for beginners. Whether you're new to virtual assistance and you want to land that first and more jobs, I've got 7 jobs you can jump into right away with little to no experience. And trust me, these jobs I'm about to show you are straightforward, easy to learn and require minimal effort. And the best part is, they are all in high demand. First up, we have managing email correspondence. As a virtual assistant, you can help busy clients to organize and respond to their emails. It might sound simple, but this is one of the most common tasks that clients outsource to tackle their overflowing inbox. Now, what do clients expect from you? Well, it is all about being prompt, organized, and professional. You will need to manage incoming and outgoing emails, categorize messages, and make sure nothing important slips through the cracks. It can be challenging at first to prioritize which emails are important, but with practice and using tools like Gmail's label, you can actually get things done. You can get started with Gmail, but tools like Boomerang can help you schedule email if you want to add that extra level of service. Jobs like this can be found on BillesSolutions.com, Zatura.com, and TimeETC.com. Next up is scheduling appointments. This is a perfect job for beginners because all you are really doing is helping clients manage their calendars. Whether it is booking meetings, coordinating with team members, or setting up personal appointments, the job is to ensure your client's schedule runs smoothly. You might feel this is a bit of pressure managing multiple time zones and busy schedules, but tools like Google Calendar, Calendly can help you undo the hard work and make the process a breeze. But it is always important to double check everything to avoid any form of errors. Moving on, we have data entry and management. This is one of the easiest jobs to get as a virtual assistant because you don't need any special skills to get started. This task is basically entering data into spreadsheets and databases, managing them accurately and updating information as needed. Meanwhile, while taking data entry jobs, keep in mind that accuracy is key. The big challenge here is to make sure you don't make any mistakes, but with tools like spreadsheets, Microsoft Excel, you can use formula and shortcuts to help speed up the process and avoid errors. Another virtual assistant job, and the most popular one, is customer support. Today, companies are outsourcing their customer service to virtual assistants, and this is an opportunity for you as a beginner to step in and help. As a customer support representative, you'll be in charge answering customers' inquiries via email, chat, and sometimes phone call. As long as you are polite, patient, and ready to help people solve problems, then you are good to go. Sometimes you face difficult customers, but it's important to stay calm, follow the script as provided by your clients, and don't take things personally. The next one is social media management, but before we proceed, kindly hit the subscribe button and like this video to support this channel. Social media management is high in demand right now. So according to CNN, the role of social media manager is expected to see a job growth rate of nearly 10% in the next several years. This is an opportunity for you as a beginner to be a part of a creative and flourishing field if you enjoy spending time on social media. As a social media manager, you'll be responsible for creating content, scheduling posts, and responding to comments. However, many clients will give you specific content they want you to post, so you don't have to worry about creating content from scratch. Next, we have bookkeeping and expense tracking. So what is bookkeeping? Bookkeeping is a process of recording, organizing, and maintaining a business financial records. Many small business owners don't have time for this, so they prefer to hire a virtual assistant to handle the job for them. Meanwhile, learning the basics of bookkeeping software can feel intimidating, but tools like QuickBooks are user-friendly once you practice and get the hang of them. Another beginner-friendly task, and the 7th virtual assistant job for beginners, is research and preparation. This involves helping clients gather data, find resources, and organize it into simple reports. This could be market research, competitor analysis, or any kind of information your client needs. This is a great job for people who love digging into data and finding valuable insights. The hardest part is knowing what information is relevant and valid, but your client will always give you guidelines on what to focus on. In order to thrive here, you need to understand how to use databases like Statista or Google Scholar. So there you have it. These are 7 beginner-friendly virtual assistant jobs that you can start today with little to no experience. So whatever you decide to pick, keep in mind that there is always room for improvement and you can always switch and expand your capacity. But the key to success is understanding your client's need and prioritizing the satisfaction. So which of these jobs should you consider as a beginner in virtual assistants? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.